Okay, that's ready. Okay, good evening, guys. Again, good evening, and one of us also here again. Indrajit, who's here to means introduction. I mean, I won't take today, means introductions, and he said that he will tell me about himself and what exactly is going on in his life. So I have his resume right now, it's over there, and I'm going to ask him a couple of questions, and he said he will answer me in the right manner. Right? Are you ready? That?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So, Indrajit, first question goes to you, that because you have mentioned your resume a lot of things.
Yeah.
Indrajit Jha and the schooling and blah blah. That's right. The language basic, programming and design software, AutoCAD, and that's means tool design. That's kind of, okay. That's right. And student result. And I said, what is an AutoCAD? Can you explain?
Basically, AutoCAD is a software. Basically, is a 2D. Basically, the 2D or 3D software for a to the drafting of 2D object to the 3D. Basically, we have designed to many component, just like any tool, any machines, or any complex object. That's component we can see him, or we can going for the manufacturing, because the tolerance is very low. That's why we have using AutoCAD to develop a drafting, or we have a build 3D 2D object on it. That's AutoCAD. Build auto.
Okay, that's right. What about the casting also means including in there?
No, casting is a manufacturing process.
Okay.
Generally, they are a topic. I have an area of interest on them. Basically, casting is a process to build any object using a cavity and core. Basically, casting is a process like if you build a book, then we have a pattern of a book. For example, we have bottle. So we have a shape of bottle, have a pattern. In a pattern, we have filled a plastic. At some time they cool, and then a breakdown, and then the bottle is open. This is called a casting.
Okay, that's great. I really appreciate you that something. Next question goes to you, that because you using here responsibility involved in raw material collections, involved in the machine. What that means? This thing involved in the raw material collections.
Basically, we in a group, we have a 5 member. We have done a project in a college time. The project will basically have a build a the study of the gates in an injection molding tool. Basically, we build a gasket, a pump gasket. That In a pump basket, we have a build a core, cavity, ejector plate, or the whole components. That's why I am gone. Oh, sorry. I am go. I am gone in certain shop and asking for the what is the weight, what is the dimension, or what the cost is.
No, what sentence using? I'm gone. What sense? Yeah,
I'm going.
No, I
I
go
go
with that.
go to the shop.
If I go there,
If I go,
yeah, I
there.
will go with that. I go with that.
I go there.
If you go there,
Yeah.
okay.
Uh, so I go to the shop and we collect all the material so
Yeah.
that we build a project, or I'm also asking him to what is the method, so we build a project in a limitation way, or the weight of the project is very low, or cost effective method is also I have asked to my friends or my group members. That's I involved in the raw material collection.
Okay, that's right. Yeah, extracurricular activities, regular blood donor.
Yeah.
Great. Why so?
Basically, in a 6 month, or in a 6 month or 4 month, I I go to the
Hospitals.
hospitals or
And
blood
blood.
donor camp.
You get celebrate also from there.
Yes, I have
How many? How many you have right now?
1 or 2.
Oh, 1 and 2 you got. The government hospitals from there.
Yes, sir. No, it's a blood camp.
Blood camps.
There's a blood camp.
Okay, that's right. Great. And you can use it also that if you don't even,
Yeah.
in your family, or anyone that needs, or relative or friends who needs the blood, so you can just get the blood also. Oh, what's the validity of that certificate? It's 6 months?
6 month, no, sorry, it's a 8 month maybe.
So, okay. No, anyone can use also that.
Anyway,
So,
basically, my blood group is O positive,
okay.
and that's why I'm giving all donor to the blood.
Okay, great. Okay, you mentioned that all this thing. Okay, casting is there. They're involved. Involved in research. What is that?
Basically, we are doing a project, so we have research on what we made. That's why I involved in the research. I find out every theory, every procedure, every complex design. That's why we have built a project. That's my involvement in the project.
Well, thank you. Today is 3 4 questions enough. Stop making